All right. Hey, Mark June on the South Texas trap line. I think it's about 98 degrees today here at the end of February. So for those that say this is soft work, they're not out here. It is smoking hot. Speaking of smoking hot, I'm on a coyote travelway here. I've got multiple sets of tracks, so I'm going to put in 2 sets. And the first set's going to be the Q-tip set. Q-tip set has Windwalker, which has a little bit of skunk in it. So it's going to help my entire range of smells. So I'm going to put it on the upwind position, which for me is to this southeast side. I've got my face in the wind. I know the predator is going to work from the downwind side. I've set the super stake. For those of you that wonder what I use the MB 550, 2 coil, and I've got the offset jaw. I use the 18-inch super stake, and I cut 5 links off. I have no idea what length that is. It's perfect for me, is what it is. In all my country, I trap multiple states. I've got the trap here. Out comes a little bit of poly, not much, under the free fall side of the pan. This is my office. I go to work and I set the trap on the notch. It goes into the bed. I screw it in to the bed. I don't know if you can see it on the camera here or not, but this trap bed is just the size of the trap. You will not see me doing this because you won't see me digging too much out and trying to put it back. It's just, I've done so many trap beds that I dig at the size of the trap. And then once I screw it in, it's solid. I put the sticky stick in, which is the don't step here spot. I grade with the sifter right over. I don't do this, fly it all around. I'm particular. I keep everything right here. It's all about speed. When I've got a couple hundred sets out, I can't take 10 minutes at every set. So I put the pan, I find the pan. I've got it. The whole set revolves around the pan. I take the Q-tip. I use these hard stick Q-tips. I love them. That's going to go on the upwind side. This dirt is hard, so we're going to try to get it in. And this dirt is hard this year. There it is. I'm going to kind of build a little berm back here. Keep him honest. I don't like a big backing. Smooth it off. Duff it in. That's to show him where the step spot. A little bit of loose jaw guard. Inch off the loose jaw. A little duff with my hand. And we're there. The set is, that's the step in spot. I've got to be real aggressive with the fencing on this sand because there's so many options for the coyote. I'm going to pick up that dropping and take it to another spot when I leave. In fact, I might use it on the other set with a 2-turd set. Give him that turd plus another one. Then I give him a little bit of Windwalker. Right down the Q-tip. Hey, just bend over the set. This is your office. Bend over the set. Don't be doing this, putting the cap on. You're going to drip across the whole surface. It's going to mess you up. And we're done. This set typically takes me less than 2 minutes to make. Yes, this dirt is good, but it's hard. It's harder than it looks. The top is about soft to right there, but under that is hard pan, and it's really hard to work with this year. But these methods work in every state I've ever been in, and that's a lot of states. So use this Q-tip set on your line this year, juice it up with some Windwalker, see what it'll do for you.